Hi, my name is Liam, and I am your dedicated resource for Fynlo's tutorial videos. In today's session, I'll walk you through on how to set and save your budget for a particular timeline. Setting a budget for startups is important to ensure financial control, plan for growth, and make informed decisions to sustain the business. To start, go to the menu selection in the left menu pane. Choose Accounting and select Budgeting. Once you are in the Budgeting section, click on New Budget. After defining cost departments such as sports, miscellaneous, music, and photography, the next step is to select specific sub-options within these categories, label the budget, specify its year, and set a preferred timeline. To set a budget for photography, the next step is to select Expenses and then Purchases. To be notified when nearing 90% of the budget for the quarter, the alert notification can be enabled by saving an email address in the notification settings at the bottom of the screen. After completing the form, click Save. The previous screen will appear with a confirmation at the top right that the entry was saved successfully. Thank you for completing this module. Feel free to reach us at any of these handles for further assistance.